Hey everyone, let's start solving this question which came in today's weekly contest 454. So the question is generate tag for video caption. You are given a string caption representing the caption for a video. The following action must be performed in order to generate a valid tag for the video. Okay, these are the actions. The first is combine all words in the string into single camel case string prefixed with hashtag this. A camel case string is one where the first letter of all words except the first one is capitalized. All characters after the first character in each word must be lowercase. Okay, camel case means this only. Like first letter will be in yeah, here first this hashtag, and again let's say our caption, we will see the examples. Okay, so next is first is we have to combine all words and in camel case. Now remove all characters that are not English letter except the first hashtag. Okay, and the third is truncate the result to maximize maximum of 100 characters, and we have to return the tag after performing these actions on the caption. Okay, so let's see the example. Leetcode daily streak achieved. So this is our caption. Now first thing is we have to combine all words in a string into single camel case string. That means first letter will be in small, and after that for each word first letter will be the capital. So this daily S, and this is what camel case. Okay, so first what first is combine all words. So we combined all words in camel case. Next is remove all characters that are not an English letter except the first. So let's see the first constraints. Here you can see caption consists only of English letters and this space. Okay, so we have only English letters and the spaces. So if any space is anyway, we have to remove the space where we are not including the spaces here. Okay, in camel case, so we are removing the space. By chance, if let's say here instead of one there are two space and we are splitting it, then we'll get an empty string also with this each word. We'll have five things, five letters, or even say five words, one is empty, then that also we empty, doesn't matter if we include or not include, it will not show up. Okay, the third is truncate the result to maximum of 100 characters. So here if you go, yeah, it has the length of 101, but we have to remove the last two letters from the word because we want only 100 characters in our result. Okay, let's start solving. Writing the code is first we have to combine all words. So we are given with this caption. Okay, so first we'll split this string. Okay, and get the array of strings with these letters: lead code, daily, streak, and achieved. We'll split by space. So first we will split the string, or you can say caption string words is equal to caption. Okay, one more thing. Before splitting it, we have to trim also. There is a possibility, right? In the beginning, also space is there because our caption contains space and English letters. So there is a possibility the space is there in the starting. So while doing this thing, we might get this lead code L and can C, which is in small letter. Okay, we have to capitalize it this not sorry, here we don't have to capitalize this, we have to convert this into small letters, okay, in lowercase basically. Hmm. Then caption dot first we'll do trim so that for all the spaces in the beginning and end will go, and then we will split using space. Now we will get lead code daily streak achieved, or can I go there. Now we have to combine those. Let's say combine Okay, before combining, okay, we'll take one string builder sp equal to new string builder. If you want a detailed video on string builder, let me know in the comment section. I'll create it. Yeah, so initially I'll add one hashtag as our this tag should start with the hashtag. Now what we have to do is first letter, first this first word is what first word we have to uh, append this in lowercase only. Okay, lead code or can, you can see after that it is in first letter will be in the uh, capital and other cells small. Okay, so first what we will do is sb dot append words of 0 dot to lower case. Okay, now here we can get the index out of bound. Okay, because the caption length is 1 but only 1, that means it can be only space also, right? So here what we'll do, if my words dot length is equal to 0, then I will what I'll return only hashtag as nothing is there. Okay, now for other, for int I is equal to 1, I less than words dot length I plus plus. Now what you have to do, sb dot append, as I said there can be two spaces here. After lead code there will be two spaces, between two spaces there will be an empty string, which this while splitting this it will consider, and instead of 4 length we will get the 5. Okay, one as empty string. So if empty string is there, we can't divide this word into first letter and other. This we'll get the array out of bound index again. So here what we will check is, okay, words of I dot is empty. Okay, if it is empty, then just append this empty string. Okay, else first letter we want in uppercase, so character dot to uppercase what are words of I dot char at 0 plus all other words, that is we will use the substring words of I dot substring 1 dot to lower case. Okay, that means if my words dot I is empty, then I'll use that only. Else, okay, else I want first character to be in uppercase and the others in lowercase. Yes, then we'll append this and we'll get what? We'll get this thing. Now, again, what is our third thing is truncate the result to a maximum of 100. Okay, for this all characters that are not english letter, that will be only spaces which we are taking care of. Okay, now we have to truncate the result to a maximum of 100 characters. Now while returning, what we'll do, sp dot, okay, here also we can write substring of, okay, 0 comma, what is the maximum length is also see minimum we can get this length as 28, 29. Okay, so we will not write it here 100, again it will give us some error. So instead what we'll write, mat dot minimum of sp dot length, okay, sp dot length and 100. If my sp dot length is 102, let's say here like this, then our this which is minimum, 100 is minimum, so we'll take 100. So like this, let's run this once. Let's see if any, yeah, there you can say accepted. So here are these cases which I'm talking about. Yeah, this is the case 6 where I was seeing two spaces are there. In that case, one empty string we will get. Okay, if I print it, we will get this, this. After this, we'll get one more thing, which empty string. As there are two spaces, in between those two spaces, there is empty string. So we have to avoid that. So for that, we have written, and this is the case where the first we are getting the space in at the beginning, so we have to trim it. Okay, and this is the case where we are getting the empty uh, like string spaces only. Okay, let's submit this. Yeah, you can see your solution got accepted. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated. Thank you.